Playground AI has revolutionized image generation with its powerful artificial intelligence capabilities. Whether you're a digital artist seeking inspiration or a marketer looking for compelling visuals, Playground AI offers a versatile platform for creating stunning images effortlessly. With its user-friendly interface and advanced algorithms, generating high-quality images has never been easier. From landscapes to abstract designs, Playground AI provides endless possibilities for unleashing your creativity. If you want to explore the exciting world of AI-generated imagery and stay updated on the latest trends and tips, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We regularly share tutorials, reviews, and creative insights to help you make the most out of Playground AI and other cutting-edge tools in the AI landscape. Introduction to Playground AI. Playground AI stands out as a dynamic platform for image generation through artificial intelligence, offering an array of creative possibilities. By utilizing prompts, users can guide the AI to produce images that align closely with their descriptions, fostering a personalized and precise creative process. The strategic use of prompts not only influences the content, but also influences the aesthetic and thematic elements of the generated images. Whether you are an artist, designer, or content creator, Playground AI opens up new horizons for expression and experimentation. Dive into the world of AI-generated images and experience the fusion of technology and creativity. Here are 5 key features that distinguish Playground AI. 1. Text prompt integration. Playground AI's primary feature revolves around text prompts, where users can input specific descriptions to guide the AI in generating images. This process allows for a tailored and controlled approach to image creation, ensuring that the final output aligns closely with the user's vision. 2. Element insertion. One standout capability of Playground AI is its ability to insert elements into images effortlessly. Users can prompt the AI to add various objects, characters, or features, enabling the augmentation of existing images or the creation of entirely new compositions with ease. 3. Background manipulation. Playground AI excels in background manipulation, allowing users to prompt changes in the backdrop of images. This feature facilitates the transformation of scenes, providing a versatile tool for artists, designers, and content creators seeking to alter the atmosphere or context of their visuals. 4. Detail removal. Enhancing efficiency in image editing, Playground AI enables users to prompt the removal of unwanted details from images. Whether it's eliminating distractions or refining specific elements, this feature streamlines the editing process, saving valuable time and effort. 5. Canvas arrangement. The platform empowers users to generate multiple images based on various prompts and seamlessly arrange them on the canvas. This feature fosters creative exploration and storytelling, enabling users to experiment with different visual elements and compositions to craft cohesive narratives. Tutorial. To access Playground AI, visit playgroundai.com via Google search and select the first result. Once inside, you can explore recent designs created by others using the Playground AI art generator. To start creating your own AI-generated art, sign up at the top and log in with your Google account. The interface offers various features. The filter determines the image style, the prompt field guides the AI, the image-to-image tool creates images from uploads or drawings, and the generate button executes instructions. Adjust settings like Stable Diffusion AI, image dimensions, and prompt guidance for desired results. You can upload images, edit them, and create new ones using different filters and prompts. Experiment with settings, generate images, and refine them with details or variations. Finally, you can download or further edit your creations. Advantages. 1. User-friendly interface. Playground AI boasts a user-friendly interface designed to cater to both beginners and experienced artists. The intuitive layout and navigation contribute to a seamless creative process, allowing users to easily access tools, prompts, and settings. This thoughtful design enhances the overall user experience, making Playground AI accessible to a diverse range of individuals with varying levels of artistic expertise. 2. Community collaboration. The platform facilitates a vibrant creative community where artists can follow, share, and remix each other's work. This collaborative space fosters a sense of connection and inspiration as users engage in a dynamic exchange of ideas and artistic expressions. By encouraging collaboration, Playground AI transforms into not just a tool, but a thriving community that nurtures creativity and mutual support among its users. 3. Inspiration and remixing. Playground AI goes beyond individual creation by providing a platform for artists to draw inspiration from one another. Users can explore a rich repository of designs, sparking new ideas and encouraging the remixing of existing works. This feature promotes a continuous flow of creativity within the community, allowing artists to build upon each other's creations and push the boundaries of what is possible with AI-generated art. Top 5 uses of Playground AI. 1. Creating art. Playground AI serves as a powerful tool for creating art, offering users a platform to unleash their creativity through AI-generated imagery. With its intuitive interface and advanced capabilities, Playground AI enables artists to explore new dimensions of expression and bring their artistic visions to life with ease and precision. 2. Social media posts. Playground AI serves as a valuable tool for crafting engaging social media posts. Users can leverage its AI-driven image generation and editing capabilities to create visually compelling content tailored to their social media platforms. From eye-catching graphics to unique visual elements, Playground AI enhances the impact of social media posts effortlessly. 3. Presentations. Playground AI serves as a valuable tool for enhancing presentations. With its AI-powered image generation and editing capabilities, users can create visually engaging slides, infographics, and graphics to effectively convey their message. From dynamic backgrounds to custom illustrations, Playground AI elevates the visual appeal of presentations. 4. Posts. Playground AI serves as a valuable tool for creating posters, offering users a wide range of customizable options and AI-powered editing capabilities. Whether designing promotional materials, event announcements, or artistic displays, Playground AI provides the flexibility and tools necessary to produce visually captivating and effective poster designs. 5. Videos. Playground AI isn't limited to static imagery, it can also be used to create and edit videos. With its AI-powered capabilities, users can generate and manipulate video content, unlocking a new dimension of creative possibilities for storytelling, marketing, and multimedia projects. Disadvantages. 1. Limited features if you stay in the free plan. In the free plan of Playground AI, users may encounter limited features compared to premium subscription options. These limitations typically include restricted access to advanced editing tools, a smaller selection of filters and prompts, lower resolution outputs, and possibly watermarks on generated images. Additionally, there may be limitations on the number of images or videos that can be generated or edited within a certain time frame. 2. Often generates duplicate objects in the generated arts. In some cases, Playground AI may generate duplicate objects in the generated arts due to the nature of its artificial intelligence algorithms. This can occur when the AI model interprets certain prompts or inputs as multiple instances of the same object or concept, leading to repetition in the output. Additionally, variations in prompts, styles, or settings may also influence the likelihood of duplicate objects appearing in the generated images. 3. Mobile apps not available. Playground AI does not offer a dedicated mobile app for image creation and editing. The platform primarily operates as a web-based tool accessible through internet browsers on desktop and laptop computers. While it may not have a mobile app, users can still access Playground AI's features and create images using their mobile devices by visiting the website through a mobile browser. However, the functionality and user experience on mobile devices may be different from that of a desktop or laptop due to screen size limitations and potential performance differences. 4. No real-time human support on chat or call. Playground AI does not provide real-time human support through chat or call channels. Instead, users rely on self-service resources such as FAQs, tutorials, and community forums for assistance. This absence of direct human support means that users may need to troubleshoot issues independently or seek solutions through online documentation and peer-to-peer interactions within the platform's community. While this approach may lack the immediacy of live support, it allows Playground AI to scale its services efficiently and maintain accessibility for users worldwide. Additionally, the platform may periodically update its support offerings based on user feedback and evolving needs to enhance the overall user experience. 5. Only accepts prompt in English. Playground AI's prompt-based system currently only accepts inputs in the English language. This limitation is likely due to the complexity of processing and understanding natural language across multiple languages, which can vary significantly in structure and semantics. By focusing on English prompts, Playground AI can ensure more accurate and consistent results in image generation and editing processes. However, as AI technology advances, there may be future developments to support prompts in other languages. In conclusion, Playground AI stands as a revolutionary platform that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to redefine the process of image creation and editing. With its user-friendly interface, versatile creative tools, and AI-powered capabilities, Playground AI empowers users to explore a wide range of artistic possibilities. Whether you're a beginner looking to experiment with new techniques or an experienced artist seeking innovative ways to express yourself, Playground AI offers a dynamic space for creativity to flourish. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI-generated art, Playground AI remains at the forefront of innovation, inspiring users to unleash their imagination and bring their visions to life. That wraps up today's discussion on Playground AI. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content and updates. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to sharing more insights with you soon.